Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hootsuite for social media brand consistency. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Hootsuite's website, www.hootsuite.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will see different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your brand's needs. After selecting a plan, click the Get Started button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address carefully. Create a strong password and enter it in the provided field. Make sure your password meets the security criteria. You may also see an option to sign up using a social media account. If you prefer this method, choose the relevant social media option. Follow the prompts to connect your account. After your account is set up, check your email for a confirmation link. Open your email and click the confirmation link. Return to the Hootsuite website to log in. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Hootsuite dashboard. You can now start adding your social media profiles. Click on the Add Social Network button. Select the platforms you want to connect. Follow the prompts to link your accounts securely. You are now set up to manage your social media from one place. Explore the scheduling and analytics features for brand consistency. This ensures a cohesive message across all your platforms. Take some time to customize your settings for notifications and preferences. Now you are ready to maintain your social media brand consistency with Hootsuite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.